Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the right clips and tools. Medium claw for most, small snap for fine sections. Comb through to remove tangles because smooth hair sits better in the clip. Then section hair where you want the clip to sit, top, side, or back, and hold the rest away. Once done, position the first clip near the roots at a slight angle so it grabs both layers of hair. This prevents slipping and creates a cleaner, longer-lasting hold. You'll now focus on how to place the clip for maximum hold and comfort. Align the clip base close to the scalp so the teeth engage the roots. This is why angle matters. It locks hair in. Use your thumb and forefinger to gather the exact amount of hair you want, then close the clip firmly. Once done, give your head a gentle shake to check stability. If it slips, remove and repeat with less hair or a steeper angle to improve grip. You finish by smoothing any flyaways and checking the visual balance of clips on both sides. Symmetry often looks more intentional. If a clip slips, make sure it's anchored at the roots. Try a smaller clip or tuck a bobby pin beneath the clip base for extra grip. Once done, remove clips slowly by opening and sliding toward the ends to avoid breakage. If hair gets tangled, pause, loosen gently, then proceed. This preserves hair health and keeps the style neat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.